Listen, if you haven't heard me talk about Sam Becker at this point, that means you've never seen any of my videos, okay? So Sam is, if you were to call Sam a mindset coach, that would be an insult at this point. Sam is someone that you need in your life if you want to actually be a better person, if you want to grow your business. So professional development, mindset, call it whatever you want to call it. Sam gets results, okay? When I first came to Sam, I was about a few months, maybe 9 months out of a coma, y'all. And I've taken it to a whole nother level. I have built businesses for myself, for my mom, for my clients. I've built several six-figure businesses in the last, 12 months that I've been working with Sam. And let me tell you, I'm so grateful to have this guy in my life. Truly. Sam is exceptional at mindset, marketing, sales, and really giving you the encouragement and confidence you need to execute with clarity. Thank you, Sam. I appreciate you, brother.